What's going on, my people? Today we're going to talk about some crypto. Before we get into the video though, I just want to thank everybody who has actually subscribed within the past week or two, since I've been uploading frequently, or more frequently than I have previously. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. In the link in the description below, I got two links if you guys decide to, start with crypto, if you're new to crypto, or if you just come across my channel and you want to get started with crypto. The first link is for Coinbase. You can click on that link. If you purchase $100 worth of crypto, you get I forget how much it is, but you get free Bitcoin. And that's if you purchase any kind of crypto. Also, if and when you do purchase crypto, do not keep it on the exchange unless you are staking. And if you're going to be staking it, what I would recommend is keeping just a small amount, just so you can stake frequently. If you don't know what staking is, it's basically like getting dividends on a daily basis, which is pretty cool. Currently, Algo, the crypto algo, you get 6% yield on whatever you have in there. So if you get like $150 in there, I believe 6%, you get 6% of 150 every day. You know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little amount. It's pretty cool what Coinbase is doing right now currently. I recommend Coinbase for those who are new and getting started into crypto and they just want to purchase and then move your crypto over into your crypto wallet. Now, if you guys don't have a cold storage wallet or a wallet that's on your phone, what you can do is you can download Exodus or you can download Atomic Wallet. I personally have Atomic Wallet because I like the interface a little bit better. You guys can also purchase a crypto wallet, right? So I believe currently, I don't know if the sale ended already, but right now on Ledger, you get $25 for free when going towards your next crypto purchase when you purchase the Ledger wallet that is in the link in the description below. So if you guys decide to do that, you can do so. Now let's get on with the video. We're going to be talking about XRP today and kind of the price action and what's going on with it. So let me share my screen real quick. Sweet, and let's go. So what do we got going on with XRP currently? So currently with XRP, on December 24th, the day before Christmas, so we had, if you guys don't remember, we had this huge 70% push down from, is it 50 cents? So if we start from here and we drop all the way down, that's a 60% drop. But if we start it from up here, then obviously it's a little bit more. So if we go, it's basically a 70% drop, right? From these highs down to here. So crazy stuff. If you held your position all the way through here, congratulations, because I did as well. And bowls of steel, baby. So iron hands, as Alex Kyle likes to say. So right now, what do we have going on, and what do I think might possibly happen? This level of support that you see right here, this is on the 15-minute time frame, by the way. So I'm just looking at the shorter time frames currently in this video. Right now we are trading at 30 cents flat. Well, 30 cents, 30.3012, 3015. So about 30 cents, right? A little over. On the 24th of December, so Christmas Eve, we broke through and we came up to about 36 cents, and then we hit this resistance point right here, right? If and when, so let me just fix this up real quick. So we hit this point of resistance right here. Right there. Cool. We hit this point of resistance, and then we made the double top, and then we made that lower high, and that's why we pushed down. And where did we bounce off of? We bounced off of this resistance point, or this support level right here, okay, which is very good. That means that there's a strong level of support within the 28 cent range, okay? 28 cents, we have a very good level of support. So if we continue with this level of support on the 28 cent range, then we could definitely continue to see a range of what you see right here. So you saw this quote-unquote false breakout, which wasn't really a fall because we kind of retested right here in this area. So I mean, if you want, you can make the 35 cent range resistance point, but I have it right here on the 32 cent range, just because we've bounced off of it many more times than we did right here at the 35 cent. So this 35 cent range could potentially be a, if we just line it up real quick, this could potentially be a, a higher time frame resistance, which I believe it is. But for right now, we're just looking at the lower time frames, like I said. So what we could possibly see happen is we could come back and retest the 28-cent range. If you want, you could probably accumulate right here. Not a big bag, but not just a reasonable amount, just in case it does drop and we break through and then retest and then continue down to the 25-cent to the 22-cent range again. But I don't think that might happen. I think that we're going to hold on. I think that we're going to continue right in range in here before we continue up and break through. Just because if we look at the higher time frames, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a V, kind of a V action, right? So a healthy V formation, which we saw with the S&P 500. We saw the V right here. This is basically the V formation. Can't really see it with the daily time frame as of yet, but this is kind of what we saw with the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones. So if we just go over to the Dow Jones on what happened, hold on, what's it called? Dow Jones. I'm just gonna type in Dow Jones see if it pops up. US 30. That's what it is. US 30. Okay. If we look in March, we saw this huge big dip. Kind of what we see right now with XRP, right? You see the huge big dip and then it comes back up and we had this V formation. You go back into XRP, you'll kind of see the same thing. Not like, not picture by picture, but we do see that kind of bit of a V formation that could be forming. Or what we could see is a double bottom and then continue up, or what are they called? Reverse head and shoulders as for a bullish indication of another, push up. Or just continue break and retesting and continue back upwards. But what I think could possibly happen is we could see another push up, right? So this isn't the one that I like, so we're going to go into Coinbase. I like Coinbase a lot better since we have it marked up already. Alright, so as you see, where I marked up is basically the support levels on where we currently have to be. Okay, so I mean, if you want, we could even put it up there, but I'd rather put it right here where it was before. Okay, so what we have to see, since we're seeing a lot of direction where XRP doesn't really know where it wants to go, what I'm thinking is there is going to, if we put in like a fib retracement right here, right on this, because this is the push up. So the way that I learned fib retracements is where the push up is, that's where you want to place it. So we're just gonna fix that up real quick. Look at where we are retesting currently. We are currently retesting on the 786 level and the 618 level, the golden zones, right? So if you don't know how fib retracements work, the way fib retracements work is when you have a nice push up, right, you go from the bottom wick to the top wick, which is right there. When it comes back and retraces, which is why it's called a retracement, the 786 level, the 618 level, and the 0.5 level are the levels which you want to look at the most, right? So right now, currently, we are testing the 786 level, which is where I have my support, right? So we broke this level of resistance, made it a support, by coming down and retesting it. So there's a strong level of people that are currently buying in this position. So would we see a drop from 28 cents? Probably not, especially with this right here, with this strong level of support. So what we could see in the later future, or in the upcoming months of 2020, we could see this. Let me just draw it out real quick. We could see a continuation, right? We could break, continue, retest, continue, retest again, continue, and then keep going up. Now, this is just, obviously a rough sketch of what I think could possibly happen, and then we could continue upwards. Right now, if we continue upwards in a bullish trend, which if we just line up a little bit of trend lines going on, right? If we continue up with this trend like so, and we continue up this way, and we make a trend line right here, you could easily see this bullish trend right here, right? So we could see something like this, right? So this could be the channel that we're going to be looking up in the upcoming months, which I would like to see. Right, so if you would want to accumulate some of your position, I would do so somewhere in this range. Just because I think that this is going to be the bullish channel that we're going to be in within the next upcoming weeks and within the next couple of months until we reach another point of resistance. And I could be completely wrong, but I could be completely right. Now, this isn't financial advice. This is just me looking at charts and making a video and uploading it to you guys so you guys can think. Maybe some of you guys are thinking about the same thing that I am thinking, and you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys could possibly be saying the same thing. Yeah, this could be the bullish trend that we are looking at, or we could break this trend and then make higher highs and then continue break the monthly resistance level that we made in November, which we couldn't break in December, and then possibly break it within February, March, or April, maybe even January if things go as planned, right? But we don't know until it actually happens. So if you would want to accumulate in this area, which I think is a good place to accumulate from, because maybe going down to the 20-cent level, it'll probably be a wick, or the 25 to 20-cent level, it could probably wick there, and then we can get if you have some buy stop orders there, or buy limit orders there, you can get wicked in. Yeah, I really don't think we're going to be seeing any 20-cent levels. Like I said, I could be completely wrong, and we could dip down to 18, 17 cents, right? And then we'd have to reanalyze the charts and see what's going on. But as of right now, as of today, December 26th at basically 2:15 p.m., we are trading at, what are we trading at? 30 cents, 30, 35, and we're kind of battling the intraday resistance levels. So if you go into like the 15-minute, you'll see that we are currently battling these resistance levels. This support level that was made right here. But we are making lower highs and lower lows. So if you know about day trading, you see that you know the two-legged pullback, right? So we got one leg, here's the second leg, and then we could see a pull down, right? If this doesn't pan out, we could see a pull up, and then we could break and retest these levels right here, okay? So that's the video for today, guys. I just wanted to make a quick little video on what's going on with XRP, with the price action today on December 26th, day after Christmas. So like I said, if you guys want to use those links below to get started with crypto, or if you're already started with crypto and you're looking for a cold storage wallet to, you know, keep your crypto completely safe and secure, then the links are in the description below. So like, share, and subscribe if you choose to do so, and leave me a comment of what you guys think could be happening with XRP within the next couple months. If you guys agree with me, cool, that's awesome. If you guys don't, leave it in the comments below and let me know what you think is going to possibly happen. But that's it for the video, guys. Have a good day, man.